Hi there, students. Chauvinist, an adjective, also a noun for a person, a chauvinist. Then you could also have an adjective, chauvinistic. So chauvinist, chauvinistic are both adjectives. Chauvinistically as the adverb, and then chauvinism as the noun for the quality. Okay, so chauvinism. Let's see. I think you can use this word chauvinism to say a blind belief in the superiority of your own group, of your own people, of your own sex, of your own team, of your own region, while everyone else outside your group is weak, inferior. Yeah, so it's an extreme form of patriotism or nationalism or fervent belief in your own faith, yeah, in your own group. Okay, so I'm a real fan of science fiction, but one of the things I hate is this chauvinistic representation of aliens with 2 arms, 2 legs and a head. It's like indicating that this is the only good format for an alien. I like aliens where they're radically different. Okay, nowadays, however, the word is used, chauvinism is used to talk about male chauvinism. Yeah, this is an attitude by men of superiority, of male superiority in society. Yeah, a belief in the superiority of one's own gender. Yeah, we have this phrase, a male chauvinist pig, an MCP. Yeah, male chauvinist pig. This is somebody who treats women as lesser in intelligence, lesser in competence, that the only things they're good at is making a home and looking good. Yeah, so yeah, a male chauvinist pig. He's such a male chauvinist pig. He's always wolf whistling the girls. He's always making comments about their bodies. Yeah, he's just such an MCP. Okay, so a male chauvinist pig. So chauvinism, this has the idea that men think they're superior. Although it can be used more generally. And yes, we do live in a very chauvinist society, a society where men are paid more than women for the same work. Although I do think that things have improved a lot, and there is a lot more awareness about this, and things are getting better. I don't think they're perfect yet, but they're certainly improving. However, there is one chauvinistic attitude that I really dislike, and this is female chauvinism. I agree that men have been chauvinistic for many years, and we live in a chauvinist society, and it's not right. However, that does not give an excuse for women to act in a chauvinistic way. Yeah, so I think female chauvinism is not reasonable either. Okay, so a chauvinist, somebody who believes or has this unreasonable belief that their own country, that their own race, that their own football team, that their own cooking, their own food is the best, and that of everyone else is inferior. I think one of the best cures for chauvinism is travelling around the world, going to different countries, and you'll discover that everyone is good and bad at different things, and that we're all different. And being chauvinist is just totally unrealistic. The crowd was singing chauvinistically patriotic songs. Yeah, a blind faith in the homeland. Okay, and then chauvinism again, believing or behaving as if women are naturally less important or less able. Yeah, So a chauvinist community where women who have high-flying jobs are ridiculed. Okay, so chauvinism, an attitude of superiority towards members of the opposite sex, yeah, undue partiality, undue support, yeah, an attitude of superiority to members of the opposite sex. So don't be such a chauvinist. Okay, now let's look at the formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 or 6 in formality. Use it anywhere, although a fraction on the formal side. And then the origin is interesting. It comes from Chauvinism in French. And Chauvinism was devotion to the Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte, yeah, treating him like a god, idealistic worship of Napoleon. And this word chauvinism came from Nicolas Chauvin, a legendary patriotic soldier, French soldier from the First French Republic, yeah. And, well, let's see. His surname comes from Latin Calvinus, yeah, related to Calvinism as well, or Calvus, board. Well, that's a slight aside. So, Chauvinism was a blind support of Napoleon. Well, we still have blind support of politicians nowadays. I think we need to treat everything as a mixture of good and bad and try and only take the good bits. So, chauvinism, patriotic bias, bias towards your football team, bias towards your way of life, your family, your region, your town. Yeah, it's the best. It's better than everywhere else. No, it isn't. It's just different. It's got its own good points and it's got its own bad points. And then chauvinism, male sexism. Yeah, believing your gender is superior, treating women as inferior. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Chauvinism, chauvinist, chauvinistic, chauvinistically.